All right, let's go fly with Youngblood.
Yeah. Oh, well, I have a battery. I don't have a battery first.
Do you,
Oh, yeah.
are you ready? Ah! I saw that had slow motion. I saw that in slow motion.
Except
He just barely, if he would have hit the runway just slightly different. I saw it in slow motion. I'm like, he's in the wrong. Oh.
No, I thought it was gonna move.
Yeah. Jeez.
Gear, man.
Dang, pizza pants!
This plane, those two FMS planes, man. Oh, so good.
Yep.
Flaps up. Take off flaps.
Go.
You sure? Just me. Let's wait for.
China
They're clear. All
cleared.
right, here we go. That was. He almost made it.
Just, yeah.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Flipping.
Yeah, take my glasses off. No, we're clear.
Now it's the perfect time to fly over the sun. Nice! Greg, would you like me to put up that stop sign for your sake? I know you hate it.
No.
No!
That damn pizza pan out of there. Keon, could you do me a favor?
Oh, those the E-flight ones?
Oh, these are the FMS. Keon, do me a favor, Keon.
Yeah.
Take these.
Time remaining. 2 minutes.
All right, I'm flipping it and come back.
Actually, we don't need glasses anymore.
No, we don't. That's why I took them off. It's too dark.
It's like the sun. Oh, now the sun's back. See if you look at it now.
It feels good. I'm fine.
They're not looking.
There we go.
Wait, hold on. Patience.
Let me follow you for a little bit. There we go.
Wait, do you have a hawk?
Yes, I'm ready to go. Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready to go too. I'm just going to do this. What the fuck are you flying in there?
4,000. I get 4 minutes even. If I don't fly like a total nut.
Time remaining. 2 minutes.
Oh, the sun's perfect right now.
You're right. I'm going to put your sunglasses down for a second. I got to go do a loop. You're 22 and you're getting ready to go. I'm going to fly right now, but I'm going to have to go. That F-22 looks great. That's a cool one, yeah. That's the same company. Yeah. It's the same company that makes the F-14. Looks like the same name for that.
Yeah. You got time? Or it's about time for you to come in?
I think I'm going to land because I have those 4,000.
Oh.
About a year when I landed with the F-14, this plane would just come up. It was either get
Landing flaps. Gear down.
I'm going to do a crazy man touch and go behind you, or alongside you. There we go. Ignore me. I'm blasting past you.
Flaps up. Gear up.
F-14's got the cool factor, but it has...
Time remaining. 1 minute. 5
Are you going to
seconds.
fly?
I still got time.
Time remaining. 1 minute.
You've been saying that for like the whole day. Okay, Frank, where's your F-14? Oh, wait, it's not here. Keon.
See, Frank, where's Frank? This is why I like this, because I can go 4 minutes, no issue.
No, it's the old part.
Oh, the old one.
Wait,
Okay.
Ray, which plane is this? Is this
This is the 70.
Oh, it's the low one. Frank, where's your point?
I have the same setup as in the in Dinky Pinky.
Can I go do it?
No, we gotta wait for
I gotta get my Havoc after this.
Go right now.
Yeah, I'm coming
Set
to.
your glasses on the side.
Okay, I'll grab them on the way back.
Because I'm gonna quickly fly.
4, 3,
Can I go up?
Gotta let me land. I'm coming in right now.
flaps 1, time expired.
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna get my F-14 ready. Yeah, dude, look, I'm staging my plane.
Oh my god, you
Alright,
guys
my
are
Havoc
like,
is
I gotta get this again.
I'm ready to go. My Havoc is literally ready to go.
Okay, I'll be ready in a matter of a couple minutes, couple seconds.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Keon, come here, let me show you what's wrong with this
What? Very nice. If it had stayed on the ground.
If it had stayed on the ground, it was too fast. I was trying to get it to go slower. I mean, it still came back up.
Pretty good landing though.
Flaps out.
You gotta give that back to me at the end of the day. But the big ones, I got
Oh yes. After this flight, we're gonna do that. All right.
Alright, I'm gonna go get my
I'm gonna get my hawk going, and then I'll come back. Yes, thank you. I'm gonna go get